Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach you about continents and oceans. You already know the names of the continents and you studied in the lower classes, 3rd, 4th class standards. You have studied the continents names and oceans names. But in this class you are going to learn something new things about the continents and the oceans. Okay, wow. In our earth, we can see our earth in the blue color. Okay, blue color. Why? It is lots of water. Our earth's surface contains more water than the land. Earth's surface contains more water than the land. 71% of earth covered by water. 71% of earth covered by water and 29% of earth covered by land. How many percentage? 29% of earth covered by land. Okay, wow. So this means that if the earth is divided into 4 parts, 3 part of the earth covered by water and the 1 part is land. Okay, wow. 3 part was earth and the remaining 1 part is land. Okay, wow. Do you know the meaning of the word continent? Continent have a definition. Big land masses on the earth's surface. Big land masses on the earth's surface surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, wow. Big land masses on the earth's surface surrounded by water on all sides is called a continent. Okay, wow. We have 7 continents in the world. We have 7 continents in the world. Okay, wow. The first continent, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Again I am telling the names: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay. Now I am going to give some interesting fact about the Asian continent. Asia is our continent. Asia is our continent. It is the first largest continent. It is the first largest continent with more than 4 billion people. More than 4 billion people. Because it is the most populated continent. Asia is the most populated continent because the most populated countries, India and the China, are located in the Asian continent. India and China is located in the Asian continent. The Asia is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Asia is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, wow. In Asia we have 48 countries. In our Asia we have 48 countries. Okay, wow. There are 100 languages are spoken here. 100. How many languages are? 100 languages are spoken in the Asian continent. Our India has around 30 official languages. India has around 30 official languages. The main attractions of this continent are the Himalayan mountains, the highest mount peaks, the Himalayan mountains, and the Taj Mahal in India, the Great Wall of China, the Bali Islands in Indonesia. Okay, well, these are the main attractions of this continent. Now we are going to the second continent, Africa. Africa is the second most populated country with a continent with 54 countries. How many countries? 54 countries. This continent is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, wow. Next, Nile is the longest river. It is situated in the African continent, and the Sahara, the largest desert in the world, it is also in the Africa. Okay, wow. Next, we are moving to the North America. North America is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. It is the third largest continent with 23 countries. Third largest continent with 23 countries. It is the richest continent. It is the richest continents in the world, and it is the richest continent in the world. The main attractions of this continents are Niagara Falls in Canada, Disneyland in United States. Okay, wow. Next we are going to see the another continent, South America. South America is surrounded by Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Oceans. Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Oceans with 12 countries. With 12 countries, the Amazon rainforest, the Atacama Desert, the driest place in the world. It is also in the South America. Okay, wow. Next, the North America and South America is connected by the Isthmus of Panama. North America and South America is connected by the Isthmus of Panama. Next we are going to see the Antarctica. Antarctica has another name as White Continent. It is covered by, it is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Antarctica is full and full covered by ice throughout the year. Okay, ice throughout the year. So it is very coolest place. It is very coolest place, and it is the least populated place. It is the least populated place. And there is more, we can see more penguins there. We can see more penguins there. Next, Europe. Europe is the third largest continent with 50 countries. Third largest continent with 50 countries. The smallest country in the Europe is the Vatican City, and Russia is the biggest country in the Europe. Okay, wow. In Europe, Russia is the biggest country and the Vatican City is the smallest country in the Europe. Big Ben in England, Eiffel Tower in France. These are the main attractions of Europe. Europe and Asia is nearest continents. Europe and Asia is the nearest continents. So sometimes together this Asia and Europe we are telling as Eurasia. Okay, we are telling as Eurasia. And the last continent is the Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and it is a country also. Smallest continent and it is a country also. We can see more kangaroos. Kangaroos in the Australia. Opera House and Alpha is the main attractions of the Australian continent, and Opera House and the Alpha is the main attractions of this continent, and the Australian continent has another name as Oceania. Okay, so I hope all you understand about the continents. Next we are moving to the 5 huge oceans. Okay, 5 huge oceans. What is oceans? Oceans. The continents are separated by the large stretches of water. Continents are separated by the large stretches of water called oceans. We have 5 huge oceans. We have 5 huge oceans. First one was Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean covers the half of the earth. It is almost circular in shape. Okay, Pacific Ocean covers half of the earth and it almost circular in shape. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, and the deepest trench. It is the deepest trench, Mariana Trench also in this ocean. Okay, the Mariana Trench deep was 10,994 meter. 10,994 meter. Next, the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Second largest ocean, and it has a shape of S. It has look like an S shape. Okay, The Atlantic Ocean has huge mountain peaks. The mountain peaks create small islands in this ocean. Okay, wow, the highest mountain peaks creates small islands in this ocean. Next we are going to see the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean has our country name. Indian Ocean has our country name and it is the warmest ocean. It is the warmest ocean and it has two main parts, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Next we are going to see about the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is formed by the merging of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Southern Ocean is formed by the merging of south parts of the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Okay, wow. Next we are going to see the Arctic Circle, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It is the smallest ocean in the world and it is located in the Arctic Circle. It is located in the Arctic Circle and it is always frozen throughout the year. Okay, wow? It is frozen throughout the year. Okay kids, I hope all you understand about the continents and oceans. Thank you.